In this question, a very important part. Here we are having three simple statements, 1, P, Q and R. Now remember, when in the probability, when we are having 3 coins, when we are tossing 3 coins, that what are the total possible outcomes? That are 8. So again, when we are having 3 simple statements, whenever we have to find the truth value, there will be 8 possibilities. Okay. So same whatever we have done in class for the probability in the last class, same thing I am going to repeat here. Now the sentences statements we are having P, Q, R. Okay. So how to fill it? Now you can go for first 4 true, then 4 false, then double true, double false, double true, double false, then true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. Okay. Now second option is what we are having for P and Q. These are the supposed 2 statements. So what is the possibilities for this was, we were having true, true false, false true, both false. This is for 2, and then true and false for the next one, that is R. Now PQ here, R here. Now T, T and T. So we are having T, T, T. Then true, true and false, true, true, false. Like this you can fill it. Whole the 8 will be there. Okay. So what I told you, that is very simple thing and easy to learn it. Okay. So like this we can move for the truth values for the 3 simple sentences. Now what we have to find it? We have to find it first of all, and in between one statement, that is P and Q or R. Okay. So first thing is we are going for Q or R. Now in the or part, any of the statement is there, it is true. Okay. So first is true and true, true, true false, true, false true, true, both false, true, true, true and false. Okay. Now we are having P and Q or R. Okay. So P, one statement, that is here T. In between now we are going to for this part and this part. Okay. Now we will be going for AND table with this one and this one. Okay. So now T and T, that is true. Again T and T, true. Again T and T, true. Now true and false, false, false true, false, false true, again false, false and false and false, false. So like this, when we are having 3 statements, then we can go like this.